Our solar system has 8 planets. You learned them in school. But what if there's a 9th, a giant world hiding so far out in the dark that we have never once seen it? For years, some of the world's best astronomers have been hunting exactly that. A hidden planet 9. Here's why they think it's out there. The story starts far beyond Neptune, in a vast frozen zone called the Kuiper Belt. Out there drift countless icy worlds, leftovers from the birth of the solar system. And when astronomers mapped the most distant of these icy objects, they noticed something strange. Their orbits weren't random. Instead of pointing every which way, the orbits of these far-off objects seemed to lean and cluster in the same direction, like a handful of arrows all swept to one side. Something, the astronomers reasoned, must be nudging them. And to herd worlds across such enormous distances, that something would have to be big. In 2016, 2 astronomers proposed an answer. A real planet, perhaps 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting impossibly far out, its gravity quietly shepherding those icy worlds. They called it Planet 9. Not a guess from nowhere, but a prediction drawn from the math of those tilted orbits. So if it's really there, why haven't we found it? Because it would be staggeringly far away, hundreds of times farther from the sun than Earth. Out there, sunlight is feeble, so the planet would reflect almost no light. And it would crawl across the sky so slowly that it's terribly hard to pick out from the background stars. So the hunt is a needle in a cosmic haystack. Astronomers sweep huge patches of sky with powerful telescopes, looking for one faint dot that slowly shifts position over weeks. They've ruled out many regions already, narrowing the search, but the prize, a clear photo of Planet 9, has so far stayed just out of reach. But here's where it gets interesting. Not everyone is convinced. As astronomers find more distant objects, some don't fit the Planet 9 pattern at all. Skeptics argue the clustering might be an illusion, simply a result of which patches of sky we happen to search first. The mystery, in other words, has only deepened, and the alternatives are wild. Maybe there's no single planet, but the combined gravity of many small, icy bodies. Or, in one bold idea, the hidden mass isn't a planet at all, but a primordial black hole, no bigger than a grapefruit, left over from the dawn of the universe. We genuinely don't yet know. The good news, we may not have to wait long. A powerful new observatory has begun scanning the entire southern sky again and again, in incredible detail. If Planet 9 is out there, this new generation of sky surveys has a real chance to finally catch it, or to prove, once and for all, that it was never there. So somewhere past the edge of everything we know, a 9th planet may be drifting in the cold and dark, waiting to be found, or it may be one of the most beautiful wrong guesses in science. Either way, we're about to find out. And if there's a space or science mystery you want explained next, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Binary Brew, and I'll see you in the next one.